If you're alone, activate the AED and begin care immediately while ensuring emergency services are contacted as soon as possible. In sudden cardiac arrest, every second matters. The priority is to get the AED on the patient quickly, place the pads and follow the prompts to achieve the best possible outcome. Before using any AED, first make sure the scene is safe for you, the casualty, and anyone nearby. If the casualty is unresponsive, send someone to call the emergency services and bring the AED immediately. If you're alone, call the emergency services as soon as possible and then begin resuscitation process according to your training. When the HeartHero Elliot AED arrives, place it beside the casualty and press the green power button to turn the unit on, or the unit will turn on when you pull the red handle to access electrode pads. The device will begin guiding you from its prompts. Follow the instructions calmly and step by step. Remove the pads and peel them away from the liner. Prepare the casualty chest if necessary and place the pads exactly as shown on the pad diagrams. For an adult casualty, place one pad on the upper right side of their chest and the other pad on the lower left side of the chest. For a child, place one pad on the front of their chest and the other in the center of their back. If the casualty is a child under 25 kilograms, press the child button. This adjusts the shock and guidance for a child. If the casualty is an adult, continue in the normal mode unless your training or the device instructs otherwise. Once the pads are attached, begin CPR when instructed by the device. The device provides audible prompts and a metronome to guide you through CPR compressions. When the AED begins analyzing the heart rhythm, stop CPR and ensure nobody is touching the casualty. Any movement can interfere with the analysis. The device will determine whether a shock is needed and will deliver it if required. Make sure everyone stands clear while the AED performs analysis and delivers a shock. After analysis or shock delivery, follow the device prompts immediately. This may include restarting CPR straight away. Continue the cycle of CPR, analysis, and further instructions until emergency services arrive, the casualty shows clear signs of recovery, or you are physically unable to continue. After the resuscitation is complete, the device can be turned off by pressing and holding the green power button. While the green light is rapidly flashing, the battery door should not be unscrewed or removed, which may take a few minutes. Opening the battery door during this time can interrupt the transfer of event data. Once the flashing stops, normal device servicing can be performed. After use, the electrode pads and batteries should be replaced and the device should be checked to ensure it returns to a ready state. This ensures the AED is ready for the next emergency. Throughout the rescue, stay calm and follow the AED's instructions carefully. The most important steps are turning the unit on, using child mode where appropriate, placing the pads on correctly, ensuring nobody touches the casualty during analysis, and continuing CPR whenever instructed. By acting quickly and following the prompts from the HeartHero Elliot AED, rescuers can provide immediate care that gives someone suffering sudden cardiac arrest the best possible chance of survival.